Hey guys, welcome back to LOPO's channel. I'm Zoe. In today's video, we are going to over 5 popular sublimation blanks. So the first popular sublimation blanks are stackable caps. These make great conversation pieces and can easily be decorated in just few steps. Print your design, secure it on your mug, press and peel. That's how simple it is. I love decorating these mugs because you can add an easy one-sided design or even a full wrapped around. The next trending item we have is stainless steel water bottles with straw and super easy to print. One of our favorite things about this water bottle is that maximize functionality and convenience while maintaining an aesthetic appeal. They also feature double-wall insulated vacuum to keep drink hot or cold for 6 to 12 hours. The third popular blank is a metal lunchbox. With more people focusing on healthy eating, metal lunchboxes help customers easily carry homemade meals, a key factor driving sales. It's a convenient accessory for you no matter at school or home, portable and can be easily locked up. You can use it anytime and anywhere, and the premium feel is unmistakable. Next is a plastic photo panel. Photo frames are popular as gifts for occasions such as weddings, birthdays, and holidays, making them an attractive product in the gift market. You can get the wooden appearance with lighter weight and a favorable price, especially with two kinds of suspension mounts in terms of home decor. Last but not least, we have cosmetic bags. These bags are not only essential for makeup and skincare storage, but also ideal as travel organizers, gift sets, and promotional items for beauty brands. To find any of the products we use in this video, visit lopotech.com. Thanks for watching and see you next time.